Good evening. Here we are, WOD number 38 in the Corona era and the protest era. We will be using some weights today, shopping bags, dumbbells, something like that. A pair of them is what you'll need eventually. So here we go. We're going to warm up today, bottom up mobility. We're going to do a little different wrist lift when we get there. So God bless you, Cheryl. So we'll twist turn our ankles. Oh yeah. And then like we did on Sunday, if you're with us, we're just slightly bending our knees. Just that motion. We're not really, when you're standing up a lot or you're out protesting, standing around, you might bend your knees a little bit just to decompress your muscles. Good. And then we're going to spin those knees both directions. Then we're going to circle our hips, the hula hoop, and then the big spinal circle. Tie your torso, both directions. And then we're going to swing our arms. We'll try to go all the way up this time. Just feel what that feels like. Get used to that. Good. And now we're going to do our elbows. Both directions. Just isolate them. And we're going to put them up here. And we're going to just twist them. And your shoulders on this too. Try to do that. Good. And we're going to roll our shoulders back and roll them forward and lift them up. And then we're going to get our wrists. We're going to do this on a chair today, which we're going to use the chair as well today in the workout. So we're just going to come flat down here, put our hands flat, and lean into them as much as feels comfortable, as feels where you can stretch them. And hold that. We're going to hold it for about 30 seconds during the class. And then turn your hands over. This is going to feel maybe uncomfortable, and you won't be able to put much pressure, but come back this way, towards there. And then last thing is our neck. What's behind me? What's up there? Good. All right. Then we're going to get into 3 rounds of 10 ski jumpers, 10 air squats, 10 bicycles on each side. So 10 ski jumpers. Really not into a full squat. We're going to do that in a second. Just slight squat and up. 10 of those. Then 10 air squats. And then we'll just come onto the ground, lie flat, and do 20. 1, 2, legs all the way out if you can. 5, 18, 19, 20. And we'll do that for 3 rounds. 3 rounds of that. Okay, so strength. We're going to be getting back into our planking cycle. So we're going to do 3 types of planks. There's substitutes for some of the planks, which I'll go over as we get there. So the first plank is going to be a side plank. You'll come down onto the ground. You'll put your elbow right underneath your shoulder, and you'll try to lift and form a plank here. Difficult, I know. We're going to hold that for like 15 seconds, to up to 30 seconds. If you are not doing that, and there's some, then what we'll be doing is 15 side bends with a weight. Not over, just run that weight down your leg. Both sides. So that's in lieu of the side plank. There's speaking of lieu. Okay, and then we're going to go into a normal plank. You can do it on your elbows or on your with your arms straight. So a straight arm plank would look like this. Notice I'm not here. I'm squeezing my glutes, trying to get as flat as possible. So that's one plank. You can do it, you could plank on your forearms. Again, I'm not here, I'm here. That is what is strengthening our core. And then the third one is a reverse plank, which also though there's substitute for. So hands can be sideways or backwards. I'm finding when I do these, I like them to be a little more sideways. So that. And if we're not planking on the ground with that, we can, go into a tabletop and try to get your hips up high. So we're going to be holding those for like 30 to 40 seconds as well. We're going to do 3 rounds of that. It's all about our core. It's all about healthy, big muscles in our body, which keep us strong. Okay, then we're going to balance up. We're on our quest for beauty and grace, gracefulness, pointing the toe. If you can get your arms up and your shoulders back and your head up, looking straight forward, that's what we're looking for. We'll go both sides forward, holding, and then both sides back. We're always trying to be controlled on the way back in. Good. So, okay, the conditioning portion of the workout today is one of those decreasing rep scheme workouts. We're doing 21, decreasing by 3s. 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Okay, the 2 movements are something weighted, not too heavy. You'll have them on your side. You're going to dip and go overhead. 21. Take one of the implements. One, 2, 21. Then we're going to get back here and we're going to do 18 push presses and 18 chair ups with one of your weighted objects. So that's going to be a conditioning WOD. It's for time. I have an 8-minute cap. I'm pretty sure you guys can get through that. seems like a lot, but I think you can. I hope to see you tomorrow. I'll be sending this out tonight. If you have any questions, just text me, email me, Facebook message me, and hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you.